17 Winter Weather Alert.
Good morning, everybody. It's 8:15, and as we look out over the Muskegon Pier Head, dull gray, cloudy skies out there. Some snow showers beginning to fall there, and the waves are beginning to be whipped up as well. We've got some strong winds beginning to unfold. It's going to be windy, cold, blustery. Lake effect snow showers are developing as we speak. We're not talking about a lot of snow, but probably 1 to 2 inches in most areas where some of these persistent lake bands set up with that strong westerly wind. We could see 3 or 4 inches in some areas by the time we get into the later evening hours. Sharply colder for the next few days, and then more rain and snow chances coming up this week. We have a winter weather advisory that was posted at 7 o'clock this morning. This stays into effect for the entire area until 10 p.m. and it's kind of twofold. It's because of the snow showers, the lake effect snow showers, 1 to 3 inches on average here. The falling temperatures and the very windy conditions. We may see some 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts at the lake shore, some 40 to 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts inland. So the heaviest snow will not occur at the lake shore, to be dragged further inland. And these places like US 131, the north-south roadways with a westerly wind, we could see these snow squalls come and go, or develop and come and go, to where you're going down the highway and all of a sudden you go in to a snow squall and you get to zero visibility. And we have seen in previous years that then there's been multi-car pileups because of that. So I'm not saying that's going to happen. That's not happening right now, but certainly keep that in mind as we go through the day. Wind chills are going to be down into the teens today as well, and we've already hit our high temperature during the overnight period. Just about an hour ago, we had nothing on radar. And as I said, this is going to blossom. This will continue to blossom on radar. Look at the snow showers now from Grand Rapids all the way to Ottawa County, Muskegon, Oceana, Newaygo County. Some of this is not reaching the ground. Some of it is just some flakes and flurries and some light snow showers. But this is just in the genesis. It's just beginning to get going right now. And that will continue to develop as we go through the daytime hours here. The morning hours, you can see some of these darker bands of blue. That's the steadier snow shower activity that's unfolding. Look at the wind speed right now out of the west at about 15 to 30 miles per hour with some gust up around 37 miles per hour. As we look at the forecast model by 9 a.m., you can see we've got strong wind speeds still, and watch the reds come through. The colors on this map are tied to the wind speed. So as we get in about midday and thereafter, here come the reds. That's the core, the strongest winds coming through with maybe some 50-mile-per-hour gusts at the lakeshore. Notice all the red out here over Lake Michigan. There's no friction out there. There's nothing to stop the wind. So naturally, it's stronger there at the immediate lakeshore. At 6 p.m., we still have windy conditions. These winds come down a little bit overnight, still breezy, but by the time we get to daybreak tomorrow, you could see we drop into the single-digit wind speeds, and that will begin to taper off by that time. With those wind speeds, we have future feels-like temperatures or wind chills. At 9 o'clock this morning, they're in the teens, and notice they go backwards as we go on through the day because temperatures will fall throughout the day. Those wind chills will be in the teens. This is at 6 p.m. As we go through the overnight hours and the actual air temperatures fall into the not the single digits, but the teens, the wind chills will fall into the single digits. This is as you wake up tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., and then these will come up into the teens tomorrow. Our coldest day is tomorrow, probably with high temperatures only in the middle 20s. Take you back to right now. Our current temperatures are in the 30s out there. Our high temperatures today occurred actually after the midnight hour. We were around the 40-degree mark, and temperatures are falling. Look at the cold air that's going to be coming in here. The core, the strongest or the coldest air will be in here tonight and tomorrow. Lots of rain shower activity moving off to our south and east, but here's the snow shower activity beginning to get going, lake effect variety. And as we look at our temperatures and our forecast for today, cloudy, windy, cold, falling temperatures, snow showers. That 39 degree temperature occurred in the wee hours of the morning. That arrow means that temperatures are going to fall throughout the day. The secondary cold front will come through. That's the colder air. That's really ramps up the lake effect snow shower activity. Colder air settles in overnight. We'll taper the snow showers off overnight. Again, a general 1 to 3 inches across the area here. And then by the time we get into tomorrow, it's a quiet day. It looks like Tuesday night into Wednesday, maybe some snow showers north and west of Grand Rapids. Wednesday looks mainly dry, mainly cloudy, and still on the chilly side. So we've got 39 degrees. That already occurred. Temperatures are going to fall the rest of the day with wind chills, very cold and blustery wind chills in the teens. Tomorrow, 26 degrees, wind chills in the teens, maybe a few flakes or flurries, 31 degrees on Wednesday. By the time we get into Thursday and Friday, a chance of rain and snow showers, and then maybe back up around 40 by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday. That's our forecast coming up on 8:20. Here's Rob with traffic.